PSICO airboxes. We're now bringing these into our online store, and as you can see, the quality of these things are absolutely awesome. We discovered this brand a few months ago on one of our customers, DMAX, and we were sort of keeping a close eye on their product, and we just finished doing the supercharger install on the 100 series 2UZ, and the airbox was just absolute crap. Factory box was choking it up. Intake pipe was sucking in, just wasn't getting us anywhere. And we jumped on these guys' website, found they made an airbox, but what sold me was they also made the pipe to suit the supercharger. So these guys, not only are they covering the aftermarket game or the OE game, so they're a direct fit, they're also allowing for companies who go and do supercharger kits. So not only can you bolt the airbox in, you get the accessories to finish the job off. And absolute beautiful product, well made, beautifully welded. Like, I'm a fabricator at heart, and I'm not even going to even attempt to try and make this because it's just so nice. And look, you can see it, it works good, it's nice, it's, you know, it's got that funky clear lid on there so you can see what's going on in the airbox, and it looks absolutely awesome, and it functions as well. This picked up like nearly 50 kilowatts in the airbox, not because the airbox was amazing, even though it looks great, but the factory airbox in this system just wasn't really up to the task, and due to the restrictive airbox, it was making it suck the hose in, you know. So it needed this, it was a good upgrade for it, and you know, PSICO, they had it on the shelf ready to go. So, you know, this is a company we want to get behind and back and support, and we're going to start bringing them into IMS. So if you've got a particular car that you're looking for one of these airboxes on, give us a call, let us know. We'll start rolling them in, start adding them into our stock line, and bring a really nice Aussie product to you guys, the customers. So PSICO Performance is the name. Check out their website. We're adding these now to ours. Quality stuff. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you like the quality of these things. They're absolutely bloody awesome. So just one little video before I shut it down. There it is. Work of art. Well done guys, great job.